Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are sitting in the new BYD Sealion 5 DMI, and in today's video I want to show you something, and actually something that will make your life easier if you are driving a BYD model. So did you know that in order to change the AC settings, I believe all of you know those settings here, and you can also adjust the widgets in the lower section, but there is an easier way to do it. The AC controls. So what you can do is tap the screen with 3 fingers and go to the left or to the right in order to adjust the air blower. If you want to change the temperature, same thing, but go up and down, and now you are changing the temperature. So I think this is a very convenient thing, and it will definitely be very easy during the drive to just do this. And once you get used to this, yeah, definitely a very cool feature. And I hope this video helped you if you didn't know about this, and I hope you will then of course use it in your car. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do subscribe. I filmed also this car full review and details and the driving as well, so you can watch those videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.